Hello, I'm Karen Wood from the University of Maryland Extension, Garrett County 4-H, and today I'm going to show you how to make Cluck the Squawking Chicken. Let's begin making our chicken with a plastic cup. You can use any size. Different size cups will give you a different sound. Next, with the help of a grown-up, use a push pin to pierce a small hole in the center of the bottom of the cup. Measure a yard of string. I am using cotton string here. You will thread the string through the bottom of the cup and tie a simple knot, making sure it does not pull through. Just give it a small tug to make sure it is secure. Now we're going to add a comb to your chicken's head. I'm using a square piece of felt folded in half with 2 cuts through. The comb helps to manage body temperature and keeps chickens cool in hot weather conditions. Let's add some feathers. I am using white glue and a paintbrush to add the tissue feathers. Chicken feathers are unique to birds. They provide insulation to keep them warm in the winter months and cool in the summer months, and protect against harsh weather such as wind and rain. Feathers also help chickens to fly. Although they are not capable of flying very high or far, they do in fact fly. Let's add the eyes. Chickens have amazing eyesight, and they can actually see a wider range of color than we do. They also have eyelids and sleep with their eyes closed. Now we are going to add the beak by cutting a triangle shape out of orange felt. Chickens have beaks for mouths and do not have teeth. The beaks help chickens to eat, drink, and protect themselves. Now let's help our chicken to squawk. Take a small sponge and dip it in water. Wrap the sponge around the string and pull to make the squawking sounds. So what's happening here? Sound travels in waves. The vibration from the string is silent until you add the cup. This is because the cup is a solid object. Its particles are tightly packed together for sound waves to hit and vibrate. The more vibration, the louder the sound.